Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got very beautiful earrings from Meesho for you guys. So I got you covered for Christmas, New Year, or it could be any other occasion. So you can definitely wear this jewelries because it looks beautiful and it's very affordable as well. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Let me show you the first product. So the first one, I got it in this box. This is how the earrings looks like. You guys might have seen this kind of earrings, I guess. I mean, this kind of earrings is all over the internet now. See, this is how it looks like. It looks like a bag, right? So this kind of earrings looks really pretty. You guys can see it has like a heart shape. So I really like the quality of the. Alright, the price of this particular earrings is just 170 rupees. Can you believe that? It's very affordable, guys. And when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give some more discount. So it's a very good deal. Let's see what we have next. So I have this next product. Okay, this is how the next earrings looks like. I mean, just look at it, guys. How beautiful is this? It looks really pretty, so you guys can see it's looking really nice. They have used multicolor beads here, so I think it goes with all the colors. Very pretty earrings. I really like the quality of this particular earrings, guys. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 239 rupees and it's very affordable. You can definitely wear this to functions also. It looks beautiful, so you guys can make out like it really, pops out. Next one, I got it in this box. These are like gold, like a dainty pieces. Okay, this particular earrings is one of my favorite. Let me just show you guys. This is how the product looks like. I mean, just look at it, guys. How beautiful, and the quality is amazing. It doesn't look cheap at all. So you guys can see it has like a leaf shape or flower shape, I don't know, but it looks like a leaf to me. I really like this, guys, and the quality is amazing. I can't wear it and show you guys because I have like a lot of stuffs, and again I'll be shooting one more video. So I hope you guys can make out. Like, let me just open it and show you guys how it looks like. So yeah, see, this is how it looks like. Beautiful earrings. I'm definitely gonna keep this because I really like the quality of this. And they have also given this free gift, and thank you so much for that. They have given this white color studs. You guys can see it's really sweet. And let me tell you the price. The price of this particular earrings is just 180 rupees, and this haul is going to be very affordable haul. I think all the jewelries that I got this time, I think it's all within 350 rupees. So I'm gonna tell you guys the prices, and also I'll provide the product links in the description box. If you guys like any of these products, go ahead and order it. If you like any products, right, just order it because it may go out of stock anytime. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This particular earrings, guys, is so beautiful. Let me just open it and show you guys first. I have not seen this kind of earrings before, guys. The quality is amazing. Just look at it. How beautiful is this? I mean, I'm not a person who likes big chunky earrings, but this particular earrings, just look at it. It looks so beautiful. I think it's going well with this color as well. You wear like pink color saris, right? This color will go with pink color, and also with this color also it goes. It looks really, classy when you wear it with this kind of colors. The price of this particular earrings is just 262 rupees. Can you believe that? And you will get some more discount when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay. And this particular earrings is amazing, guys. Go for it. I just loved it. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next product, I got it in this box. Okay, this particular earrings is also really nice. All the jewelries are nice, guys. So you will hear this word often today because all the products are really beautiful. This is how the next earrings looks like. I mean, just look at it. How beautiful is this? If you wear it with lehenga or kurta or any dresses, it goes really well, and it has like white color stone with this pearl detailing. It looks beautiful, and I don't know what do you call this, guys. Is it Chandbali style? I don't know, but this one looks pretty. Alright, the price of this particular earrings is 236 rupees. It's very affordable, and they have like 7 more colors. I'll provide the product links in the description box. Whichever earrings color you like, you can definitely go for it. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. I got it in this box, and this particular earrings quality is also amazing. Let me just show you guys. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. Oh my god, this particular earrings quality, guys, amazing. I think it goes with this also, but as I told you guys, don't wear same colors with same, like don't wear same colors, like don't try to match colors. So if this color was like green color, I think it would look really pretty. Green or blue also, I think it looks really pretty with this outfit. But just look at it, guys, it's so beautiful. I am in love with this particular earrings. The price of this particular earrings is 298 rupees, and they have like 2 more colors, which is in green color and one is in multicolors. So I'll provide the product links in the description box. If you guys like this one, order it. And the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. And this particular earrings is not one of my favorite, but I got it. I'll just show you guys. So they have given a complimentary also. Thank you so much. I don't know what brand is this. Storla Collections. Okay, let me show you the earrings. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. I don't know, guys, for some reason I did not like this thing. Um, but I'll provide the product links. If you guys like it, you can go for it. You can see this circle should come down. This is on the top. I don't know, I think. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 193 rupees. I did not like the quality of this particular earring, so I would not recommend. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one is this big box. I got like 3 earrings inside this, and all 3 earrings are beautiful, guys. Let me just show you one by one. The first product is this one. They've given like good Ziploc cover, so your product is safe. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. I mean, just look at this, guys. Such a beautiful earrings. I mean, this goes with this color as well. So beautiful earrings. I just loved it, and they have used stone here. It's not plastic material, it's stone, because it's a bit heavy also. Not that heavy, like you can easily wear it. It doesn't you don't feel heavy wearing this particular earrings. And just look at it. I really like this beads work with the kundan work also. Beautiful earrings. Go for this one, guys. I really like it. Let me tell you the price. Price of this particular earrings is 257 rupees, and they have like multiple colors. They have like 1 2 3 4 5 more colors in this, so you have lot of options. I'll provide the product links. Like if you want to get different color, definitely you can get it. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is like a Chand Bali style Bali. Okay, this is like a Chand Bali style, so you guys can see. Let me just open it and show you guys. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. I mean, just look at it, guys. How beautiful is this? And they have given like black metal. This is not like white metal. This looks so beautiful, and wow, you can see like how beautiful it looks. You can definitely wear this with saris also. It looks amazing, and you can also wear this like a I don't know, I'm just showing you guys, but it looks nice like a mantika also. See, it looks beautiful, right? Particular earrings is 281 rupees. When you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, you'll get some more discount, guys. So it's a good deal. If you guys like this one, go for it. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next one. Okay, I got like 3 products inside this box. So I told you guys, I guess. Okay, this is the next product of this haul. Look at this earrings, guys. Amazing quality, and I don't know how Meesho is managing to give at such less price, but amazing quality. Go for it. I'm telling you guys, this kind of earrings looks beautiful on your designer dresses or your function wear dresses. Even for festivals also you can wear it. Amazing quality, so I would recommend it. I'll tell you guys the price. Price of this particular earrings is 280 rupees, and it's very affordable. For this particular earrings, it's quite affordable, guys. Please go for it because it's really nice. It may go out of stock, right? Like people would be buying because this kind of designs you will not find it easily. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload the next video, take care. Bye bye.